So in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform this into this. So let's start off with a blank slide. Then paste your complete image and not a cropped version, and make it cover the entire slide. Go to picture format, click on crop. Then drag the handles of all sides to the very edges of the slide. Then click the drop down for crop and click on fill. Now insert your title text on the left side using two separate text boxes. This is very important. Now that we have our title, go ahead and click on the background image, then press Ctrl D to duplicate it and place this on top of everything. Then go back to picture format and click on crop and crop it to the point where the building starts. Now go ahead and duplicate the slide. Then select both of these text boxes and move them to the right underneath the second image. Now select your second image, right click and click on Send Backward and select the second line of text and move it even further to the right. Now we can right click this text box and click on Send Backward on this again. So now the text is completely hidden from the slide. Now go ahead and rearrange these slides like this. Then select both these slides, go to Transitions and select Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more tips, tricks, and tutorials on our channel. Stay tuned.